Hey, good morning. My name's Tom Bowman. I own Daytona Handy, and so this is a handyman service. Has maybe 40 or 50 pages. I can easily, put it into two languages. I'd hate to turn this thing off, but I'm going to. If I can't find somebody that will take it over and actually run it, it actually shows up for things like Daytona Beach Handyman and Port Orange Handyman searches. It shows for things like mailbox repair, door lock repair, things that a handyman can do here without a license, right? And so I was very thorough on the different things. And I have an AI sitting here that answers the phone line. It has its own phone line. It has an AI that lives on the website and answers some questions. I believe that's what that is. And then it really has a contact form, has email, everything all that kind of forwards to a certain place. It actually uses fast mail, so you can actually create a fast mail account, take this thing over, and really have it set for whatever rate you want to rate. You can do estimates. Things can be changed and switched around to whatever you need. All right, and again, I run a marketing service now. After COVID, I kind of built the handyman thing up because I had that from years ago, and I had it in another state, and I kind of brought it here, and I built it just in case things didn't really work out. But now with AI, it's starting to boom. I got all kinds of things going on in Vacation Club. If you want like a vacation to the Caribbean that's all inclusive and you want to go listen to one of those timeshare pitches, I've got like 90 resort locations you can flip through here on this site. And so just listen, if you got good skills and talents, I can stop feast and famine in your world completely just with this one tool, right? And so look, it ranks for these kind of searches, Handyman, Daytona Beach, and really I can show you my general position over all of search, you know. And so there are a lot of things that I wrote about. I wrote about like, illegal TV, because I was going to really focus in on putting up little antennas for free television and stuff in people's homes. They're like $100, and maybe it's a couple $100 to install it. A lot of opportunity here in Florida or Daytona Beach, and you know, just consider that this thing can be reworked. If you've actually got a license here, that's even better. You could actually have handyman work and target some stuff that's a licensed niche. But again, everything on the website is targeted towards things that a handyman can do with just basic insurance and with some kind of either basic workman's comp or some kind of workman's comp denial. I target all these different cities here locally. So I'm pretty sure that if I Google something like Ponce Inlet, and I haven't even done this. I don't think many people do it, but Ponce Inlet Handy Man, right? Let's just see. And so I did not work on maps. Maps, this is maps, right? And that has to do with citations. You can have citations done as soon as you take the thing over, right? But here I am, Daytona Handy, number 2, right under Yelp. I'm actually the second. So here's another handyman here. So there's only what, 4 handyman on the first page of Google there, and I'm the number 1 handyman listed. And it actually goes to the Ponce page. So hey, listen, if you're interested in any of this, I put a lot of effort and time into building this thing up, and I would love to see somebody take it over that I could actually and I totally hash the whole thing back over again. I have it all run. Again, I'm not going to bail on you. You really need somebody like me to run the website because it's got to be run by somebody like me. I literally have this thing set up on an AI. The AI accesses the whole website. The website's not a website. It's on a it's a static web page that's super enhanced with pictures and video. And so no, it really can't just. It's not a WordPress website. It can't just do that. Although you could try to take the whole thing over and just kick me out and just give me some money. And honestly, I even take money every month, and I have tools, equipment, a van, other things that I could throw into this deal. So reach out to me. My number is 720-498-1989, and just consider. You can drop me a form, flip through whatever you want to flip through here, right? And I'll be posting this video here under the operator opportunity thing. All right. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Bowman Web Services, Daytona Handy, Tom Bowman here. Hope you like what I built, and hope you'll come run it. All right, thanks. Later.